In previous class we had completed the two numericals from this chapter. So today now I am continuing the next numerical. So number 3 I have written here, you see on the blackboard. Number 3, calculate NDPFC. We have to calculate NDPFC and the values and variables are given here. So number 1, items GNPMP 78,000, depreciation oblique CFC. CFC full form consumption of fixed capital. So depreciation or CFC same thing. Consumption of fixed capital, the value 4,000. IT means indirect tax, value given. Subsidies, value given, and also NFIA, net factor income from abroad. So previously I told you how to calculate. So here we have to calculate NDPFC. So you write NDPFC left side. So you write NDPFC. First you make the structure, then with the help of this structure you calculate. It will be easier for you to calculate and to calculate the answer. So first you write left side NDPFC. NDPFC. Now from this information we have GNPMP. So write here GNPMP. Now we have to convert GNPMP to NDPFC. First make step gross to net. Gross, from gross to net. So you know how we come from gross to net, minus depreciation, then national to domestic, from national to domestic minus NFIA, then MP to FC, from MP to FC minus NEET. So this is the step or structure. With the help of this step we can calculate NDPFC. When the formula you learn, then you can easily calculate in a single sentence. This is the process, easy process, and you can calculate. In examination also use this step. So now calculate NDPFC. NDPFC equal GNP MP, next minus DEP, next minus NFIA, next minus NEET. Understood? So you write the value. GNPMP value 78,300 minus depreciation DEP 4,500 minus NFIA 1620, next minus NEET. So only here IT and subsidy is given. So IT minus subsidy, the value will be IT 9,300 and subsidies 1,200. We subtract it. So IT minus subsidy 9300, 1200 minus it 001. So 8100. This is the NEET. 8100. So you calculate and the answer will be, now I am here writing the answer. You calculate it. The answer will be 64080. 64080 rupees and crore. This is the method for calculation. So how to calculate? Use this method and it will be easier for you to calculate the answer. So this is the step. So number 3 I have done here. Now next, number 4. Now I am writing the next numerical. You write also. Calculate NNPFC and DPFC. So first write the items: depreciation, debt or CFC, consumption of fixed capital, value 2400. Number 2, IT 3600. Number 3, subsidy sub, short form sub, subsidies 300. Next 4, GNP MP 17450 and NFIA number 5, NFIA 1600. So write, calculate NNPFC, NNPFC and number B, NDPFC, NDPFC. So A and B you have to calculate. First you calculate A, NNPFC. NNPFC, NNPFC. From this instruction, from these items, so GNPMP given, you write right side GNPMP. So gross to net minus debt, national to national, same, cross, MP to FC, so minus net. This is the structure. So now calculate. Right, NNPFC equal GNPMP minus debt minus net. So GNPMP 17450 minus depreciation 2400 minus net, IT minus subsidy, IT 3600 and 300, so 3300. The answer will be, you write directly the answer. ₹11750, rupees 11750 crore. This is the A, number A answer. Now next, NDPFC. So understood how to calculate. First you make the structure, then with the help of this structure you calculate. So the no space, so I have rubbing this portion and write directly. When you memorize this formula, then you can write directly in such a way. So now next, number B, NDPFC, GNPMP, you can calculate from GNPMP also or NNPFC also. So any term you can use, but the result will be the same. Understood? Here NDPFC you have to calculate. With the help of GNPMP we can calculate NDPFC, or with the help of NNPFC we can calculate NDPFC. The result will be the same. So now here I am taking the value of NNPFC. Understood? NNPFC. So now net to net, nothing, cross, national to domestic, so minus NFIA, factor cost and factor cost same, so write cross. This is the step. So now you write number B, NDPFC equal to NNPFC minus NFIA. Only NFIA. So what is the value of NNPFC? What is the value of NNPFC? The value 11750 minus NFIA. NFIA 16600. The answer will be 10150. Rupees 10150 crore. Clear? So today up to this, and next day I will send a few numericals. You have to calculate it. I will check, then I will start the measurement of national incomes, 3 methods. So up to this, thank you.